that Daddy's feeling better, he'll have our dinner. It's bedtime, Peppa. After we have our dinner, it's bedtime. Can we not have our dinner and let Daddy sneeze again? Please, Daddy. Please, George. Please, Mummy. Okay, Peppa. Now let's go to bed. Peppa is tucked up in her room. Daddy Pig is tucked up in his room. George is tucked up in his room. Daddy Pig is tucked up in her room. Achoo! Not again! We should really go check on him. It's midnight. This is a night adventure, Peppa. A night adventure. Awesome! George Pig is awake too. Oh no, he wrecked my chair! The important thing now is not about the chair. It's about stopping Daddy Pig from sneezing. Alright! Now this is more like it, Daddy. Achoo! Why not? Peppa! You almost bumped into someone. Did we, Daddy? Daddy? Did we? Did we? What? What was that, Mummy? I don't know. Don't think about it. Oh, Big Alexander. You'll be feeling better soon. Just sneezing by. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Awesome. Where's George? Where is George? I don't know, Mummy Pig. Me neither. Oh, we better go find him soon. Silver time! Did he just say snowflake time? Cool. Now just call this me. Achoo! That's horrible. Oh, is it? Or is it not? We should have our dinner now. Peppa's right. Or we won't get enough energy for tomorrow. All right. Dinner. Pizza. I don't think we have pizza right now, George. Pizza. But I'm not a pizza. Oh dear. She's right. Peppa's not a pizza. She's a cat. Little pig. Pizza? Want to eat pizza? We don't have pizza. Oh no, George is so sad. I can't imagine that feeling. I can. Come on, George. Let's get you inside to eat hot dinner. You too, Daddy Pig. Just sneezing by, Susie. Okay, carry on then. Just sneezing by, Chloe. Okay. Just sneezing by, everyone. Okay. Carry on. Let's take our seats. Please don't knock down my chair again. Peppa, this isn't about your chair, remember? Pizza. Right. It's not about my chair. It's about stopping Daddy from sneezing ever again. Ever again, Peppa? No. Let's just take our seats. It won't be that hard to eat our dinner. Not if you're sitting on the child's play chair. Whoa. You ruined our picnic spot again. Oh dear, sorry. I thought I could do this, but I couldn't. Time for Peppa to sit on her side. I hope I don't knock Daddy down and he knocks me down. That would be horrible, Peppa. Hey, he's not sneezing. Awesome, he's not. That means we can carefully eat our dinner now. Pizza. Green pizza. Yuck. Pet. It's not pizza, George. It's just salad. Salad is kind of yucky. Yum. Yuck. Walk in the kitchen. All right, George, you can walk in the kitchen. Hey, sit in the kitchen? Yes, George, you can sit in the kitchen. Can I sit in the kitchen too? Of course you can, Peppa. This is awesome, Daddy Pig. Now it's bedtime. Bedtime already? Yes, you need the energy. Energy? Resting is not for energy. Yes, it is, Peppa. Just watch Daddy Pig rest. Time to get in our little house rooms. I'm going mine. See, he's going in his room. Now it's time for ours. I'm going in my room. I'm going in my room for now. And George is going in his room.